Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a fun festival inspired video. So I'm doing hairstyles in this video. I already have my makeup, so if you missed that video, definitely look at the description. I have a link down below where I created this look if you want to see it. So I'm gonna do my hair to complete this look. So I have a couple products in front of me. Oh, I'm using, definitely these are the groovy elastics, just like the little clear elastics. I'm using some cool other fun accessories, but I'll show you in a second. So first I'm parting my hair to create a little, like these little buns. Okay, so taking one of the little elastics, I'm just going to tie my hair. Okay, and just like that. And then like adjusting it as I need to. But for right now, that is one. Then parting the second part of my head and just grabbing around the same amount. I want mine to look messy. Mine doesn't necessarily have to look perfect, so I'm just eyeballing it, see how it looks and how I like it. But I mean, totally up to you. If you want yours to be like perfect, go for it. I want mine to be kind of like messy, effortless. Okay. These little plastic things are so annoying. Just an FYI. I mean, good arm workout I guess you're gonna have. Okay, so grabbing that and just tying off. Oh my god, I hope you guys can see. Tying off my hair. Okay, so right now this is what I look like. Totally a look. If you want to go like this, definitely go for it. Like, this is your thing. Go ahead and like this. This is actually a cute look. I would actually do this on a summer day, regular basis. So yeah. Okay, so the look that I want to create today is these little buns that just like sit on the top of my head. So, just like this, getting little buns, and grabbing one bobby pin, and bobby pinning it down, so like that. Gonna grab one more to make sure that it doesn't move. Okay, and just sliding that on there. Cool. Now I'm doing the same thing to the other side. Just wrapping it, oh shoot, wrapping it around my finger, I guess, and making sure it looks like little, kind of like pom-poms on your head. Oh, so I want mine to be like nice. I don't want them to be like any loops coming out. So if I see anything I don't like, I just start over. So just like this. Whoops, that doesn't go there. Okay, great. So just taking one bobby pin and bobby pinning it down. Grabbing one more bobby pin just to be on the safe side, making sure they look somewhat even. Okay, cool. Looking good. Right? This looks good. Okay. grabbing a straightener and just like, you know, curling some bits. Everything does not have to look the same. It's just trying to look messy, trying to look effortless. Like that's the whole look we're going for. This cute, effortless, messy, like chillin', you know the vibes, guys. You guys know the vibes. Okay, so now that we have our hair curls, it looks so cool. I'm using this fun little thing that I found at Target. It's called liquid hair chalk paint on thing. It's this pink color. It's super cool. So I'm just grabbing a couple pieces of my already curled hair, and how do I do this? Just like, it says it's supposed to, oh, okay, we're getting something. You guys couldn't see that. You guys see the pink colors happening throughout my head? That'll be so cool. It's just like pink streaks going on throughout your hair, looking so cool throughout your head. So like we'll do some up here and we'll just bring it down. Yeah, so cool. I don't want the front piece to have any. Just do like random pieces, like some down here, some back here, just like random bits of pieces in my head. Oops. Down here. Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round. And then you just comb it through everything. Make sure you like what you see. Okay, so then this thing I found really cool. This is Go Intense color spray in the color rose gold. This is supposed to make your hair rose gold. So it says to cover with a towel. I don't have a towel. Okay, so that thing said to cover your shoulders with a towel, which is what I did. I found myself a towel and I'm covering my head. Then it says spray on hair, apply and let dry. Cool. So I don't even know where I want to apply it. The ends maybe? Guys, it's turning rose gold. It's so cool. Okay, let's add it up here. Do you guys see that? I just added rose gold on my things. How cool. And then you just like spray, whoops, throughout your head. So cool. So you have rose gold, you have blonde, you have pink, or I don't know if you have blonde hair, but you know what I mean. You have all these colors happening. So cool, guys. So festival, so fun, so cool. Can't get over this thing. And this was, I found this at Sally Beauty Salon for $5. $5. I'm very impressed. Very impressed. So yeah, super excited. You're supposed to like let it dry and whatnot. So I totally am. But in the meantime, I found these things at Target. I forgot how much, but they're like little things for your head. So I'm gonna try some out, see how I like them, if they work, if I recommend. I don't even know where I would put it. How would you put these, like throughout your head here? Like, I don't know. Does that look cool, guys? Are we digging this? I like want to try them out. Whoops. Cool. I feel like my hair has like nose rings. Whoops. Okay, yeah, like you can sort of see them spread out. I mean, I feel like they look cooler somewhere else. I'm wondering if it would look cool as like a fake nose ring to go with this vibe. Would it be too big? Would it hurt my nose? Maybe I should open this up more. Okay guys, what do we think? Is this a fake nose ring? Is it too big? Does it look cool? I'm taking off this. Okay, so what do we think? Do I look cool? Do we approve? Coachella approved? Would we go with the fake nose ring? Is it too big? It's very itchy, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, this is my completed festival look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was so much fun recreating fake impromptu nose ring and all. It was so much fun. I love the way the hair came out, the little hair clippies that I added, so cool. The sprays I added on my head, really cool. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys want to see any more of these videos, definitely leave me a comment below. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!